Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into your device. So for the separation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly push it and the slot will come out. So here you have on this side slot for SIM cards. So let's set up SIM card 1, and from the other side you have like slot for SD card. That's how you put it, and then you just put it back inside your device. As you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's no notification about SD card, but I can go to the storage section to show you that SD card is actually detected. Okay, where we have storage. Files, and here we can find this SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.